Hi there. If you want to stop your IDM to catch any download temporarily and want to use your browser, then this video is going to help you the best. If I come to taskbar and exit the IDM, this won't work. Cause IDM detects a download automatically and restarts automatically too. So, we will use our browser to avoid it. Come to Chrome. 3 dots. Extensions. Manage extensions. Here find IDM integration module. And deactivate it. Done. From now, any new download will be taken by browser or Chrome. As you can see, IDM is no longer active but the browser is. But again, when you need to active this, simply follow the steps. Hope you liked it and also subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.